Rio, try this, ha? Oh. You can. So good. So good. Oh no, this might be the most painful menstruation that I've ever had. Ano, hindi may time pala na nahilo pala ako. This is not the most painful one. But this is probably second or third. Masakit. Dalitin nyo na, please. Dalitin nyo na yung sakit, please. I will do better. Dalitin nyo lang yung sakit. Pupunta pa ako ng dentist mamayang 3, Lord. Kailangan ko lang maligo. Hindi ko na kaya. Hindi ko na kaya. Masakit.